Hey there, welcome to our channel. We're so glad to have you here. If you are an individual with diverse interests in science, technology, stories of hidden treasure hunts, and discussions of intriguing facts, you have come to the right place. Before we dive into the topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Black hole. What is black hole? Where it exists? What is the process by which a black hole is formed? Black holes are physical objects in space. Just like everything else we see in the night sky. Black holes contain an immense amount of mass concentrated within an incredibly small volume, resulting in a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can break free from it. The structure observed surrounding the black hole is referred to as the accretion disk. It is a mixture of rings of gas and dust. The visible inlet is known as a radiation cone, while the opposite side is referred to as the event horizon. Black holes that have been identified are categorized into two distinct classes. The first one is stellar mass. The mass of this black hole typically ranges from 5 to 10 times that of the Sun. The other one is supermassive. The mass of supermassive black holes ranges between 100,000 to billion times of Sun's mass. So, how do you find a black hole? Do we have any signs to find one? Actually, yes. Sign 1. Black holes can be surrounded by rings of gas and dust called accretion disks. The material in the disk gets hot enough to generate X-rays and other light. Sign 2. You can also find black holes by tracking stars' orbits over many years. This is how scientists learned there's a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. Sign 3. Keep an eye out for ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. They can be created when two black holes rotate around each other or when a star orbits close to a black hole. Now, let's dive into some interesting facts about black holes. Fact number 1. Stellar mass black holes can be created when two neutron stars merge. And two black holes can merge to make a larger one. We're not sure how the universe makes supermassive black holes though. Isn't it sounds like a riddle of which came first, the chicken or the egg? Fact number 2. Albert Einstein rejected the idea that black holes might exist. I would say oh my goodness, he already made an average teenage physics student life miserable with theory of relativity. Fact number 3. The closest known black hole called 1A0620 to 2000 is 3,000 light-years away. For comparison, our nearest stellar neighbor is 4.2 light-years away. Fact number 4. The first time we saw a real image of a black hole was in 2019. That was when the Event Horizon Telescope shared an image of M87, a supermassive black hole 55 million light-years away. Fact number 5. If you replace the Sun with a black hole of the same mass, nothing would happen. Well, it would be a lot colder, but the planets would stay in the same orbits. For suppose, if we are really living in a planet where black hole replaced Sun, what kind of humans we could be? Share your thoughts in comments below. I believe I would assume the role of the Night King.